The Yulo brothers are back in the Philippines after their standout performance in the 2024 Asian Artistic Gymnastics Championship in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Carlos Yulo secured 4 gold medals, while his brother Carl Eldru won gold in the juniors division vault. Golden boy Carlos Yulo said that his impressive performance serves as a confidence booster as he sets his sights on the Paris Olympics. The Philippines finished second overall with a total of 5 gold, 6 silver, and 3 bronze medals. Meanwhile, China claimed the top spot.
For sure po, marami pa din naman pong kailangan trabahuin and practicein pa po. Pero sa performance po na napakita ko and na-perform ko doon sa competition, nakaka-boost po ng confidence yun sa akin and ready to fight na po ako this time.
A bit surprising po kasi hindi ko po talaga inasahan yung ganong pangyayari and kinakabahan po talaga ako.